All right, so I have this tumbler and this is so pretty. So actually, this tumbler has been through a lot. It started off this green color. I don't know if you can see it under there. I didn't like the color, so I went over it with this urban cowboy, and it is beautiful. And honestly, I went over it. I was really just trying to see how this monochromatic look would work, you know, as far as a color combination. And, you know, this brown ended up being, you know, really too dark. You can see it, but it's definitely too dark for the color. But that's really all I was doing with this. But then once it all got put together, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This, look at this urban cowboy. It's just gorgeous. So I decided that I would finish this tumbler and fix it. So personally, I have never, this has been cured for months. That's how long it's been since I've come back to it. And I've never come back this much later and put like glitter over epoxy. I'm going to use epoxy to do it. And I just want to see, you know, if we can fix this tumbler and make it look great, because it really is a pretty tumbler. So what I was thinking, I'm going to turn it to the side, make it a little easier for me. It's starting to get a little dark out here. It's kind of dusky. So what I thought was, if I put this blue, and if I can maybe kind of line it up to the brown, I thought that this blue would look nice. And even if some of the brown, you know, sort of like came out around it, I thought that would be kind of pretty. So yeah, so that's good. And you can definitely see, you know, the brown out around it, which I'm fine with. And, you know, I think that that's, you know, kind of cool looking. And then the blue definitely, you know, looks better with it. The brown is a really pretty color, but the blue definitely looks better. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna mix up some epoxy real quick. And before I put it on the tumbler, I'm gonna put it this way, put some epoxy, and then we're gonna cover the bottom with the glitter chimp rhinestone cowboy and see how that holds up and covers. So, because this is very epoxied, it's sort of even kind of lumpy. We'll see how it turns out. And then we'll do, you know, just another coat of epoxy on it. And I think I'll probably sand these edges here real quick before we throw the epoxy on it. And we'll see how we can get it to look. But it's a really pretty cup, so I'm hoping that it turns out well. All right, so I have my epoxy mixed, and I don't have a lot. I'm gonna put a little bit on here. And I'm just gonna cover my bottom. And I feel like it's going to cover pretty good. All right, so that feels good. All right, so my bottom is covered nice, so that's good. All right, so I'm just going to stick this on the tumbler and on the turner, and I will come back when it's done. All right, so we've got epoxy on it. I feel like it's covered pretty good. I didn't do a whole lot. And yeah, all right, so we will see how it looks when it's done. All right, friends, welcome back. So look how adorable this tumbler turned out. I am really happy with it. So the bottom covered really nice. Everything looks good. And I actually really like how this blue layered against the brown. And I feel like it was a total save for this tumbler. And it is gorgeous. This color is so pretty. So pretty, and I'm really digging this. I'm totally digging it. So I hope that you like it. It's just beautiful. The color again is Rhinestone Cowboy, and it is so pretty. And that blue looks really nice under there. Yeah, so I'm super happy with this. Well, listen, I hope that you guys liked it, and I hope you enjoyed my project share. It was a little bit of a fix, but yeah, I like it a lot. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. Happy Friday, happy weekend, and I'll see you later. Bye.